How many other colleges did you apply to, and what made SVSU different?
I applied to Rice University, which is actually in Texas, Wayne State, University of Michigan, and SVSU.
I picked SVSU because of the class size, because of how personal it was.
Research was a major reason I came here. You get to do research as an undergraduate, while at major schools you really don't get that opportunity until you're a graduate student.
The interview, for the honors program helped me get a one-on-one experience with some of the faculty, and I really liked that experience.
What was your hardest class at SVSU?
Machine design. You're literally bringing together pretty much every class that you took prior. So like your materials class, your dynamics class, your statics class, your heat transfer class. You're solving more problems that I guess you would see in the industry and in your job.
Intro to Java. I had never taken a programming class before. And it was with one of the toughest professors at SVSU, Mo Bigoli. He's a great teacher, but it was one of the most challenging classes I've ever had.
My genetics course, it wasn't the easiest course for me. The professor was very helpful, Professor Stanton. He helped me with all of my exams and to help me figure out how to actually learn the material and remember it.
Talk about your most meaningful internship experience.
Throughout my entire career here at SVSU, I've had a co-op position at the Dow Chemical Company, which now actually just merged with DuPont, so we're actually the largest chemical company in the world. It's a great experience because I've also been able to apply what I've learned in class.
This past summer, I was in charge of the soft trim components in the new Dodge Ram. Being part of kind of a new product that will be coming out, I was always in an environment where I was able to ask questions to the other engineers who've worked there for 20 or 30 years. I can't look at a car the same now.
Talk about your most meaningful research experience with SVSU.
I work with Dr. Gary Lang in the biology department, and then I also work in the chemistry department with Dr. Sivi, and we do water testing.
What do you and your friends do for fun?
We like to attend a lot of the different sporting events around campus. I know our favorites are probably the men's soccer games, but we also like to go watch football and women's tennis and swimming and diving. I think that's something that's really unique about the SVSU athletics program is we always have teams kind of supporting each other.
Homecoming. I really enjoy all the events we do during the week. Lip sync competition, the ABC 12 food rally. We get to cheer and donate food and help out people. And then we also do the parade every year, which is a lot of fun working with your RSO to make a float. It's just like friendly competition that we do all week, and then get to end the week with the football game, which is always a lot of fun.
What are your plans after you graduate?
I want to pursue military medicine. Actually, next week I have an interview at the Uniformed Services University in Bethesda, Maryland. You get a fully accredited medical degree, but they feed you into the military, and that's really a great opportunity, I think, for me to practice medicine, but also to serve my country.